UTS teachers are experimenting with the use of technological tools that support collective inquiry. Students work in pairs, small groups, and at times as a whole class to jointly tackle inquiry problems. As a school, we made the decision to introduce Google Apps to augment our teaching and learning tools. Our students led the way as they were already using Google Docs for joint assignments. What quickly became evident was the power of such tools for student knowledge sharing and collaborative content development. Students were creating and customizing their own learning resources. At this time, I would like to introduce Christopher Federico. Christopher is a teacher at UTS and is the director of our problem-based learning initiative.
As we move more fully into the social network age, we are discovering that sometimes the most relevant, engaging source of content is the students themselves. They enjoy finding fascinating resources on the internet, which they share with their classmates and teachers. They use their smartphones, digital cameras, and tablets to create content. They are remixing sources, combining and organizing data, producing documentaries. In a math class I observed last year, the students researched and shared different representations of mathematical concepts such as pi. We all, that is teachers and students, became aware of the strength that comes from aggregating all their contributions together as a whole class resource. Sharing and explaining different representations of the same concept resulted in deeper understanding. Students are learning how to create and curate content with the help of social networking tools such as YouTube and Flickr. Students today are taking on new roles such as producers, commentators, and classifiers of the new knowledge they construct. We witness this phenomenon. For example, the students really get Wikipedia. Indeed, some of them contribute regularly to the Wikipedia entry on the school. Some students are very aware of the fact that they are contributing to a larger knowledge community. They publish blogs, launch their own YouTube channels, regularly issue theme-focused Twitter feeds, and use WordPress to create their own websites. Infographics have become a favorite tool for communicating research findings used to promote student action projects.
In the classroom, our teachers are beginning to see how assignments can be constructed to take advantage of students' interests in authentic issues. They are designing inquiry projects that investigate significant current issues. In this week's video, Sergey's data management classes use various databases to find data, build knowledge, and later to explore correlations between different variables, such as neighborhoods, education levels, and cancer rates. Teachers require new tools. They need to learn to use technological tools to design their own online exploratoria, into which students will contribute exhibits, which will become resources for others. In addition, teachers are also learning to be knowledge producers themselves by contributing to both teacher knowledge through action research investigations and by contributing to virtual repositories of lesson and unit plans.